Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest tech products. Today, we're diving into one of the best system unit cases available right now, the MUSETEX ATX PC case, Model Y6. If you're looking for a case that combines form, function, and fantastic cooling, you're in for a treat. Let's break down everything this case has to offer and why it might just be the perfect choice for your next gaming or workstation build. The MUSETEX Y6 is a mid-tower ATX case that boasts an impressive 270-degree full-view tempered glass design. This is not just about looks, though it definitely stands out with its sleek black matte finish and stunning transparency that allows you to show off your high-end PC hardware. Whether you're building a gaming rig, a powerful workstation, or something in between, this case ensures your components are displayed beautifully. What makes this case stand out even more is its practical design and spacious interior. The Y6 features a dual-chamber layout that separates your power supply and storage devices from the rest of the components. This ensures better airflow and cooling efficiency, which is key to keeping your system running smoothly during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Plus, it supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, giving you flexibility no matter what type of setup you're planning. As for cooling, the MUSETEX Y6 doesn't disappoint. It comes pre-installed with three 120mm non-LED fans. And you can expand this setup to include a 360mm radiator on the top or a 120mm radiator at the rear, perfect for liquid cooling solutions. The case also features magnetic dust filters at the top and bottom, ensuring that dust doesn't build up inside, maintaining optimal airflow and keeping your components clean. One of the standout features of this case is its extensive connectivity options. You get a high-speed USB 3.2 Type-C port, along with a USB 3.0 port, offering faster data transfer rates and making it easier to connect a variety of devices. This thoughtful addition brings you up to speed with the latest connectivity standards, saving you time and making your setup more versatile. The Y6 is designed for ease of use, with a snap-on panel that allows for quick and tool-free installation, making your build process smoother and more efficient. The case is also compatible with GPUs up to 420mm in length and CPU coolers up to 178mm in height, so you won't have to worry about fitting your high-performance components inside. It even supports power supplies up to 238mm in length, giving you plenty of room for a large PSU. The tempered glass panels are highly durable, offering not only a premium aesthetic but also sound insulation, creating a quieter environment for both work and play. And with the case's slim but elegant mid-tower design, it won't take up too much space on your desk while still providing ample room for all your components. In conclusion, the MUSETEX Y6 is a standout option for anyone looking for a visually stunning, spacious, and efficient PC case. With its superior cooling capabilities, excellent component compatibility, and thoughtful design, it is truly one of the best system unit cases on the market. Whether you're building a high-performance gaming rig or a powerful workstation, the Y6 will deliver both in terms of functionality and looks. That's it for today's review of the MUSETEX ATX PC case, Model Y6. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of the latest tech products. We'll see you in the next one.